Hello friends, spicy beef patty from Nicey's Eatery on Markham Road in Scarborough. Unfortunately the girl said they're not made here. She doesn't know where they're from, so let's take a look and see what it looks like. I don't think it's that Mitch Dean. It has a nice looking crust, but it doesn't have the same looking crust. The other thing that I'm starting to keep an eye on for to kind of determine whether if it's made here or where they're made or something like that is like that edge, the way they like press on it, and you know. But yeah, this is really hot. It smells really good. It smells like a normal beef patty. This actually might be Patty King, because Patty King's pretty close to here. Kind of reminds me of that, but I'm gonna try to break this open. It's really, really hot. Damn. Yeah, I don't know. Super duper hot. And maybe I'm gonna stop doing this because it's just destroying my truck. Maybe I'll just bite into it, because on a normal day I don't do that. I don't break them open. I just bite into them, and then like the first couple bites are kind of shitty on the end where it's all just bread. But yeah, this is really hot. Maybe this will be the first one we don't do that with, and no, I feel like I have to. I guess when you're like showing people what's in there. Oh crap, so hot. Yeah, very similar to what was that last one I did where it kind of stretched out like that. Meat's a little jelly looking. Super messy. Good bit of meat. Oh, piece of meat though. Oh shit. Oh shit. Yeah, that's what the inside is looking like. I like that bread when it's like, I guess kind of stringy like that. I don't know if that's stringy, but really crusty. Let's try it out. It's hot. It's pretty good. Haven't had a patty in a few days, so this one's a little extra good. Damn. I don't even know. That's really good. That's a good patty, man. Oh, it was smelling crazy in there, like good crazy. I had all kinds of dishes. I got a little drive-through here. This is a good place to go to if you got a truck. But yeah, there's a lot of good parking spots in here. There's a shitload of parking. I came in here with this truck, so if anybody's wondering, this is a 24 or 26 foot street truck. Yeah, but yeah, this patty's really good. I don't know if it's just because I haven't had one in a while, but I'm gonna do a 7.9 for this guy. Yeah, the meat's going all the way to the edge. And the flavor, the crust is really nice, and the flavor is really good. Like, there's a little bit of spice. I don't know if they gave you a choice with spicy. Yeah, I think they had spicy and mild. But yeah, this is Nicey's Eatery, or Nicey's Takeout in Scarborough, Markham Road. 7.9. Yeah, really good. Come through, check it out. All right, I'll see you in a bit. Honestly, if I didn't ask that girl, I would have thought these were made here, because usually, like when you look at that, it just looks like a bunch of meat in there. But sometimes when I open them up like that, you could see the meat is like pressed, I guess from being frozen. I don't know what the process is, but this just looks like it was made there. Like, it's pretty fresh looking, but she said they're not, so I don't know. But this is, like I said, this is a really, really good patty, and I definitely recommend you guys come and try this out. It wasn't too bad either. It was like $2.50. Yeah, exactly $2.50. Pretty good. All right.